Hello students, welcome to the World Earth Day celebration 2021. I hope all of you must be doing fine and doing your bit in the contribution towards the Mother Earth. So, coming to the World Earth Day 2021, this year the theme for the celebration is Restore Our Earth. We have been celebrating World Earth Day from 1970 and this is the 51st Earth Day that we are celebrating. So why do we celebrate it? As Kumal ma'am would have told you in the introductory part of the Earth Day celebration, that we celebrate it to highlight the issues related to the environmental concerns like loss of biodiversity, increasing pollution, among others. So every year a theme is decided by the World Earth Organization that organizes the Earth Day celebration through the 193 countries throughout the world. India is also part of the celebration from 2002. So this year the theme is Restore Our Earth. We will discuss what exactly restoring our Earth means. I mean, how can we restore our Earth? The Earth has been same from the many years. Is it the case? The Earth is same from the many years. I don't think so. So what does restoring our Earth means? Restore our Earth focuses on natural processes and emerging green technologies that can restore the world's ecosystems. In this way, the theme rejects the notion that mitigation or adaptation are the only ways to address climate change. So, what is it trying to say? That restoring our Earth focuses on natural processes and emerging green technologies that can restore the world's ecosystems. Ecosystems, as you must know, is a place where the plants, animals, and humans live together to form a bubble of life. मतलब कि जिन जगह पे हम रह रहे हैं वो पूरा एक इकोसिस्टम का पार्ट है. तो रिस्टोरिंग अर्थ किस पे नेचुरल प्रोसेसेस पे फोकस करता है और ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजीज विच मीन्स विच आर मेड फ्रॉम द natural things and in which the carbon emission is very less. So रिस्टोरिंग अर्थ फोकस ऑन नेचुरल प्रोसेस, मतलब कि जो नेचुरल प्रोसेस है उन पे फोकस करता है और जो ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजीज है उन पे फोकस करता है. इस तरीके से ये जो थीम है ये इस नोशन को रिजेक्ट करती है कि मिटिगेशन और अडेप्टेशन, मतलब मिटिगेशन मतलब कि जो चीजों को कम करना, तो जो कार्बन एमिशन है इसको कम करना या इसको कम करने के लिए एक अलग अलग तरीकों को अपनाना, अडेप्ट करना. इसके अलावा हमारे पास और भी तरीके हैं अर्थ को रिस्टोर करने के, जैसे नेचुरल प्रोसेस को यूज करना और इमर्जिंग ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजीज को यूज करना. ना कि हम अपने जिन जिन चीजों को यूज कर रहे हैं उनको चेंज करें या उनको कम करें. इसके अलावा हम नई नई चीजें जो कि नेचुरल है और ग्रीन टेक्नोलॉजीज हमें उनको यूज करना चाहिए, जो कि हमें किस चीज के लिए हेल्प करेगा, रिस्टोरिंग अर्थ में हेल्प करेगा. So, by investing in nature-based solutions, we can reverse the heavy carbon and industrial trends of the last century, creating a planet where humans work with nature, not against it. Soil management, reforestation, and species conservation are just a few of these potential solutions. बोल रहा है कि जो नेचर बेस्ड सॉल्यूशंस है, यानी नेचर से जो निकली हुई चीजें हैं अगर आप उसे यूज करेंगे, देन ओनली यू कैन रिवर्स द हैवी कार्बन एंड इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेंड्स ऑफ द लास्ट सेंचुरी. As we must be aware, the Industrial Revolution started in the 18th century. After that, throughout the whole world, the carbon emission has increased exponentially. So, if we have to create a planet that is working well, if we have to create a planet that is supporting the life form of all the individuals living in it, we have to work for the planet, not against it. But right now, after the Industrial Revolution, we are knowingly or unknowingly only working against the Mother Nature. So, what are some ways that can help in working with the planet rather than working against it? Some examples of these are soil management, reforestation, and species conservation. Soil management, as you must have studied somewhere, is about managing the soil. Why managing a soil is important? As you must know, soil plays a very important role in the flora and fauna of the region, and it also contributes to eradicating the flood risk that occurs in the places where there is high risk of the floods. Reforestation, that is nothing but plantation of trees. And species conservation is conserving the different animals and plants that exist as a part of biodiversity of a region. So to restore a theme also ties directly to the COVID-19 pandemic, very likely originated in wildlife, spreading from human to wildlife interactions. Climate change, deforestation, and other habitat destruction only increase humans' contact with wildlife. So this theme, restoring our Earth, is also linked to the COVID-19 pandemic, as you must have read somewhere that the COVID-19 pandemic started with the animals. Its its exact source is not known to anyone, but it is believed that it was started with the animals and it spread to humans from the animals only. So why this would have happened? Because we are in too much proximity with the wildlife. We are cutting trees every day in and day out, and that is why the interaction between the wildlife and the humans are increasing in a not so much positive manner. So climate change, deforestation, and other habitat destruction only increases humans' contact with the wildlife. That's right. That if we'll cut the forest, then the animals will obviously run towards the cities where you live. And if they will come near you, there will be interaction between you and the wildlife. Therefore the viruses or the illness that is there in the animals would likely to be in you as well. COVID-19 is the result of such an interaction where a disease is spread from the wildlife to the human, and you can see how much devastated its effects are throughout the world. So what can we do? I mean, we are looking at the natural processes, green technologies, deforestation, soil management, species conservation, or not having much interaction with the wildlife, and not getting destructions of the forest, and keeping check on the climate change. But what else we can do as a student, as a 6th, 7th, 8th class student? What else we can do as a generic students of the middle school? So how can we contribute? You can run awareness programs. Now what exactly are awareness programs? You can make poems, posters, or conduct seminars, etc., and try to make aware people around you that how restoring our earth is very important, and we should focus on the natural processes and green technologies rather than using the already used technologies that are high on carbon emission, and that is only causing the climate change throughout the world. We should be using the green technologies and the natural processes. And what else we can do? We can also plant a tree. That is, you can plant a tree on your birthdays, on festivals, or on any other auspicious occasion. In that way, most of the trees will be planted by you only. Imagine there are 1.36 billion people living in the country. If each of the person plants a tree, then there will be 1.36 billion trees in India itself. And if it goes the same way throughout the world, then there won't be any shortages of the plants anywhere. So there's a task for you to do. You people, the student of class 8, you have to make posters on the Earth Day. So these are some of the examples of the posters that you could make. You have to make these posters so that we could use these posters to spread the awareness around the society about restoring our earth, and so that most of the people could be make aware of the Earth Day. So this is a poster from last year. This is for your idea that what type of posters you can make exactly. So Earth Day 2020, it is the Earth is being shown struggling with the COVID-19. You can get many more ideas like this and try to make a poster on the same. Now there's another example of the poster on the Earth Day where a student is seen nurturing the earth with the plantation, and it is also showing the idea of recycle, saving water, planting a tree, and walking wherever required so that the carbon emission could be reduced. I hope all of you would do this with great enthusiasm and be a part of the change that will result in the better future for all of us. So students, you will have to submit these posters by 23rd of April, that is by tomorrow. And I would also request all of you to plant a tree in your neighborhood and also take a picture while planting it if you could do it. That would be a great initiative by your side towards the Mother Earth. I hope you will enjoy today's day and read more about the earth and the benefits it gives to all of us. So thank you, students. I hope you will have a wonderful earth day. Thank you.